Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Pio. I hope you all are doing well. In this video we will be discussing about PayPal. So, what is PayPal? PayPal is a platform to send or receive the money across the globe in any currency. It is considered to be the largest online payment processors in the world. You know what? It is a faster and safer way to send or receive money or make an online payment or set up a merchant account.
Okay, let's learn how to create account on PayPal. Move to a Google search engine and type PayPal. Okay, we have to click that and we have to select the first option here. PayPal, send money, pay online or set up a merchant account. That one we have to select that. Okay, let's click that to move toward our next step. Okay, now we have to select the sign up option, the top one. Yeah, that one we have to select that and click that to move toward the next step. Okay, on the top we can see join PayPal today for free. It means it is a free of cost. Well, we have two option here, individual account and business account. We have to select the business account because it provide both option, send and receive payment, while individual account have to send payment only. Now we have to click on next button. Okay, here in the first option I fill on marketplaces or freelancer platform because I am the freelancer, and in second option I fill 0 to 250k USD because I am the new here, that's why I select that. And then we go to next step. Yeah, here is the email address. Okay, let me fill my email address. Okay, for this I suggest you to make a new email ID and secure with your mobile phone because it is just like your bank account number that you are going to use here. Now click on the submit button to move our next step. Now we are in the password section. This password is going to be your login password on PayPal. So we have to type a strong password here, or let me try more strong password with full of character, number, symbol. Let me type that, which make my account more secure. Okay. After that we have to click on the submit button. Now on the business type, here we have option individual, sole trade, partnership, corporation. We have to select individual. Let me select that and click that because this is a personal account for me, that's why I select individual. Product and services key, here we type computer network or information services. Yeah, let me select that. In purpose code we have to fill other information services. If you don't understand what to fill here, just follow my step because it's a formality to fill, because I need only PayPal account. Okay, let me select that and click that. Personal pen, you have to fill your personal pen card number here. Let me type my personal pen card number. The pen card is issued by the government, just like a ID proof. Let me type that. Okay, now CC statement name, here you have to fill your name. Just type my name. Business URL, if you have any website then I give the link here, otherwise click on submit button. Now here first name, let me type my first name. Middle name, if you have then type, otherwise it's optional. Last name, let me type my last name. Okay, now nationality already selected. Date of birth, fill your date of birth. Let me type my date of birth. Okay, it's October. Okay, year. Primary contact address, first you fill your pin code of your area, then go to town and city. Okay, then address line 2, address line 1, everything fill accurate and proper. Let me type my address. Okay, let me fill that. Okay, now business information, primary contact number. You have to fill correct active phone number. In case PayPal want to contact you, it is easy for them and you too. That's why fill your contact number and click on agree and continue. Okay, move to next step. Oh, there is some little network issue. Then we go to log out, click that, and again login. We click on login. Okay, the password you are created before you have to enter here. Let me type the password. Okay, now click on login. Okay, now you can see welcome to PayPal. It means you are successfully created your account. Okay, now slide lower, confirm email address, see details. Click on see details. Here you can see edit, click on that. Okay, confirm this email address. You have to click here to confirm your email address. Basically what the PayPal do, they send a message on your email ID to confirm this email ID. Okay, move towards our inbox, email inbox. Here you can find a message from PayPal, the first one. Now this is a message from PayPal. Now we select get start now. Yeah, this option you have to click that. Okay, let me click that. Now you successfully confirm your email address. Now the third step is to add our bank account with our PayPal account. Means we are going to link our bank with our PayPal account. We have to choose send an invoicing. The second option, send an invoicing. We have to click on that. Okay, we select that. Now here you can see complete some task to invoice. Click on start button. Okay, now get started. Go to verification. Now here you can see money in your PayPal account, everything in zero. That's okay because it is new. Now see the bank account. Link a new bank account. Below this, cards. Link a new card. We see the both option. But here we have to link a bank account. That's why we click on link a new bank account. Okay, we select that. Link a new bank account. Link a bank account. Now see IFSC code, NFT IFSC code and account number. Two things are required here. Okay, to attach our bank account with our PayPal account. Now fill your IFSC code. Okay, which is mentioned on your bank passbook. Okay, let me type. Okay, now account number, which is also mentioned on your passbook. Let me type that. Okay, now click on link your bank. Yeah, that one we have to click on that. Now you can see how to confirm your bank account. See the exact amount deposited. Means basically the PayPal want to send you to a small amount in your bank to confirm your bank account. This is less than 1.5 rupees. Okay, let's click on OK. Now here you can see confirmation pending. This is confirmed in 3 to 5 days. After that you are able to receive international payment. Thanks for watching.